A lot of businesses like to pay cash for their vehicles. They either pay cash or they use a line of credit. The difficulty there is vehicles are expensive, and when you have 10, 20, 50, or 100 of them, you're utilizing a lot of working capital that can and probably should be deployed in a more productive way, especially when interest rates are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8%. When interest is cheap, that cost of capital is drastically improved by deploying it into strategic business initiatives, whether it's acquiring another company, hiring some strategic people, doing something that has a much higher return than the cost of interest. Another way to look at it is you're tying up cash and parking it in your parking lot. It's no longer a strategic asset. Businesses love having war chests of capital, and building the war chest gives you choices and options. But the problem is, by paying cash for vehicles, your war chest is parked and illiquid in your parking lot. Leasing allows you to preserve capital, use it for strategic reasons, and deploy capital when you want it, when the opportunities present themselves, and allow you to capitalize on those opportunities.